Good morning. My name is Raja. Today we will learn about a linear equation in two variables. First we will see the definition of the linear equation in two variables, and then we will solve the linear equation in two variables, and then eventually we will graph the linear equation in two variables. First we will see the definition. Linear equation in two variables. First we will see the definition, and then we will learn about how to solve the linear equation, how to solve it, and then we will graph it. Graph the linear equation in two variables. So first we will see the definition. First we will see the definition of the linear equation in two variables. So any equation of the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is a linear equation in two variables. So here x and y are called variables because these are not constants, and these values will be changing. So these are called variables. And then the multiples of the x and y are called the coefficients of x and y. And then c is the constant. So first we should know that the definition here you can see that the linear equation is two variables. So in this equation there are two variables, one is x and one is y, and then the quotients a and b should not be both 0. A and b not both 0. First is the definition goes like this: there are two variables, and then a and b not both 0, and then third is you have the powers of x and y are 1. So you can see here the power of x is 1 and power of y is 1. So these three conditions has to be met to define a linear equation in two variables. So we will learn more about the definition by solving the linear equation in two variables. So first we will take so this is completed. Now we will see how to solve the linear equation in two variables. For example, we will take some examples. For example, 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. So first we need to compare with the definition. For example, here you can see the variable, the power of the x is 1, the power of the y is 1, and then the quotients are real numbers 2 and 3, and then there is a constant c, which it is in the right hand side. So this is the equation because there is a LHS side, there is a RHS side, and then there is a equality symbol. So if you want to solve the linear equation in two variables, first we need to consider some values of the x or y. So for easy purpose, I will take x is equal to 0. So if you substitute x is equal to 0, this term is going to be 0, and then 3y is equal to 6. Eventually you divide both sides by 3, so 3y by 3 is equal to 6 by 3. So these two cancels, and then these two, therefore y is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to 0, y is equal to 2 is a solution of the linear equation 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. So 0, 2 is a solution. So you can take any values. So for easy purpose I will take another as y is equal to 0. Then if y is 0 and 3 times 0 is 0, then you will get 2x is equal to 6. So divide both sides by 2. 2x by 2 is equal to 6. So these two cancel out, and then x is equal to 3. So you can take the solution 3, 0 is another solution. So likewise you can find infinitely many solutions. So we will take another example. For example, example 2. So 2y is equal to 6. So will you call this as a linear equation in two variables Of course we can call it because we can see here the power of x is 1, and also we can write this equation of the form 0 times x plus 2 times y dash is equal to 6. So you can see the power of x is 1 and the y power is 1, and then you have a and b which are not both 0 because b is not 0, a is 0, a is equal to 0 but b is not equal to 0. So this condition has been met here, and then two variables are there, x and y, and the powers of x and y are 1 and 1. So this can be called as a linear equation in one variable and also a linear equation in two variables. So if you want to solve this type of equation, then you need to assume, for example, so we'll graph this equation, then we will understand more better. So we have completed this, how to solve the linear equation, and then we will graph. Third one is graphing. Graphing linear equation in two variables. So since there are two variables, we need a Cartesian two-dimensional coordinate system, which is Cartesian coordinate system. So for example, if you draw this is x direction, this is x and this is y. So we'll graph this equation. So we have already got the solution as 0, 2. So x is 0 here, and then y is, so we'll just 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 1, minus 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. So we'll see 0, 2, 0, and then 2. This is 1 point, and then 3, 0, 3, and then y is 0. So these are the 2 points. So for graphing a linear equation two variable, we need at least 2 points. So this is the line which is 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. So you can see here this is a straight line. So that's why the term linear equation. Linear means the power of x is equal to 1 and it's presented straight line. So any linear equation in two variables is a straight line only. So and then we'll graph this equation 2y is equal to 6 because for example if you solve this one, you will get eventually 2y by 2 is equal to 6 by 2, which is 3. So y is 3. So here you can take any value of x, all the values of x, for example all the in the x in the positive direction or negative direction. So if you graph this one, then for y is equal to x is equal to 0, y is equal to 3, then, and since y is constant for all the x values, you can draw a horizontal line. So this equation is y is equal to 3. So we have graphed these two equations. One is 2x plus 3y is equal to 6, and then y is equal to 3. So thank you.